today we're here installing a MyEnergi Zappi, but before we even begin to install the charger, got to sort out this mess. Originally we came to quote for an EV charger, but upon seeing all of this lovely electrical installation here, we knew that we had to correct it before adding into this Henley block. So we've got multiple boards here that we're all going to have to figure out what they do because they're poorly labelled, and then rip them all out, install a brand new Luden SPD and RCBO equipped board, and get all these cables back in, feed a new 32 amp supply to our Zappi charger, do all the testing and inspection. So as you can see, we've got quite a lot to get on with, so we should just get started, I think. Just as we're working away, we found this absolutely beautiful earth made off by the DNO. We've got a TNS earthing system here. As you can see, there's the earth clamp on the cable coming into the property. We've just got a lovely earth there with almost all the cores cut off with 2 little earth cores remaining. So splendid, it's great. So as we mentioned in the intro, we're also going to be installing a MyEnergi Zappi today. So just to show you the run, we're probably going to go on this course here, just running 4mm EV Ultra, coming along this course, pop out that wall there, and then just locate the charger on this wall here. So it should be simple enough.
So today we're installing the new multi-phase Zappi EV charger. So it's got the capability for 3-phase as well as single phase. So in our case, we are only using the single phase today as well. So we'll only be going into the L1 neutral and earth. The great thing as well about this charger is you don't have to configure anything after in commissioning, whether it's single phase or 3-phase. You simply just go into the terminals that you need to enter, and that is it. Also, another great thing about these new multi-phase chargers is you get 3 CT clamps, which we are not used to having because we're always needing to buy CT clamps, and now we've got our own little stock of them. Could probably open a shop, to be honest. Got that many.
So as you can see, that's us now removed all these multiple fuse boards. Completely clean wall for us to work on, which is great. So time for us to mount ours and get on with it.
So we are almost done here today. We've just got to show the customer how to isolate and use all the circuits and show them exactly what we've done. But before we do all that, I just thought we'd explain what we've done with the CT clamps. So the customer here has a fairly old solar system, which is why he's on the fit tariff. He will already have some sort of monitoring which will show him his readings. However, he can't see the live generation from the solar. So what we've done with one of the extra CT clamps we get given from MyEnergi with the Zappis is we have put a CT clamp over his solar anyway, just so he can see what the solar's doing. It just goes over the live of the solar, and we've marked that CT3 as we have put it in the CT3 connector block in the Zappi. This enables the customer to see what the house, his car and the solar is drawing throughout the day. So that's it, we're all done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.